Consider and Grow people have called Rich the granddaddy of all motivational literature. It was the first book to ask the question, what makes a winner, in a bold way. Napoleon Hill asked and listened for the answer, and now he is one of the most successful people in the world. The most well-known success teacher spent a fortune and the better part of a lifetime's work on his law of success philosophy, which is the basis of his books and is so well summed up in this one. In the 1937 edition of Think and Grow Rich, Hill uses stories about Andrew Carnegie, Thomas Edison, Henry Ford, and other millionaires of his time to show how his ideas work. In the updated version, Arthur R. Pell, Ph.D., a well-known author, lecturer, and consultant in human resources management, who is also an expert in applying Hill's ideas, skillfully weaves in stories about how modern millionaires and billionaires like Bill Gates, Mary Kay Ash, Dave Thomas, and Sir John Templeton got rich. Terms and examples that are out of date or hard to understand are carefully updated so that a new group of readers can keep up on them. Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich is a famous self-help book that shows people how to use the power of their minds to get ahead in life and make money. The book has 13 chapters, and each one talks about a different part of success and how to think about it. Chapter 1. Introduction. This part gives an outline of the book and explains the secret to success, which is that the human mind has the power to reach any goal. Chapter 2. Desire. This part talks about how important it is to have a strong desire to succeed and how to grow that desire through visualization, affirmations, and hard work. Chapter 3. Faith. This part talks about how important it is to have faith in yourself, your ideas, and your ability to succeed, as well as how to build and keep that faith. Chapter 4. Autosuggestion. This part talks about the idea of autosuggestion, which is the process of reprogramming your subconscious mind for success through self-talk and positive affirmations. Chapter 5. Specialized knowledge. This part talks about how important it is to have specialized knowledge in your field of work or interest and how to get this knowledge and use it. Chapter 6. Imagination. This section talks about how the mind can create and bring about success, as well as how to grow and use the mind's power. Chapter 7. Organized planning. This part talks about how important it is to plan for success, including setting goals, making an action plan, and taking steady, focused action. Chapter 8. Decision. This section talks about how important it is for success to make clear, decisive choices and how to learn how to make good decisions. Chapter 9. Persistence. This section talks about how important it is to keep going even when things get hard and how to build and keep a persistent mindset. Chapter 10. Power of the Mastermind. This part talks about the idea of a mastermind group, which is a group of people who get together to help each other succeed and work together. Chapter 11. The Mystery of Sex Transmutation. This part talks about the power of sexual energy and how it can be used and shifted for success. Chapter 12. The Subconscious Mind. This part talks about the power of the subconscious mind and how to use it to achieve success through visualization, affirmations, and belief. Chapter 13. The Brain. This part talks about the power of the brain and how to use it to get ahead by building and using your creative imagination. Hill uses real-world examples and case studies to show how the ideas and tactics he talks about work in the real world. He also talks about how important it is to have a clear, focused goal and work toward that goal in a steady, focused way. The main goal of the book is to show readers how to use the power of their mind to get success and wealth. Thanks for watching our Amazon book review. If you found our review helpful and you're interested in checking it out for yourself, we've included a link to it in the description below. By clicking on that link, you'll not only get more details about it on Amazon, but also support our channel at no cost to you. So go ahead and click that link to grab your copy of the book and dive into an exciting reading journey. Happy reading, and thanks for your support.